for connecting your All for Web Tools website with Google Analytics and Google Webmaster Tools. So if you go to Settings, and then Administrator, so right there at the bottom on the left, it says Google Analytics.
Right.
And then it says Webmaster's MetaKey. So those should be correlating to your Google account. So if you can log into your Google account for analytics, I don't know if it'll be on that menu, but what you can do is just at the top type in Google space analytics.
Oh, okay.
Right there in the search bar. All right, so in the top right-hand corner, it says Access Google Analytics. And you can just save preferences on that box. All right, and so you see right there where it says UA462.
Yes.
So it ends in 8754-1. So let's look back at your All for Web Tools console and just make sure that number is the same. So that number is different.
Oh.
So I'm wondering if someone else entered that.
Okay.
And so here in Chrome, if you go to your Google Analytics, you just
okay. So this is the one that I just made.
Correct. So you just want to grab the UA number there, where it says UA 482462. Just grab that whole number there and copy that.
Okay.
And then you want to go back to your All for Web Tools console.
Oh, and put that here.
And paste it right there. All right, and then we want to do the same thing for the Webmaster's content key. So we'll open another tab in Chrome, a new one, and we'll type in Webmaster Tools. So now it's going to ask you to add a site. So you're going to want to put in your .com URL and type it in there.
Spelled it right. That should do it.
All right, so you're going to want to click Alternative Methods. And HTML tag, the second one down. All right, now where it says content equals, and there's a double quote, it says BVJ.
Yeah, this.
So you want to select everything from BVJ all the way to Z-O. Everything between the quotes.
Oops, stop it. It doesn't want to do it. How do you
Okay,
make
let's
it do
do
it?
this. Just copy that the way it is.
Okay.
And then if you
Yep.
go to your start button
Oh.
down below. But it looks like you have some Word docs up. If you want to open one of those Word docs.
Oh, close them all?
No, just open one of those Word docs. And go to the bottom of the Word doc. Right there. And just paste that line down there in the Word doc. Alright. So now you should
Oh, now I'll do it.
now you can grab the BV all the way to the Z0.
Oh. There you go.
Okay. So now you can go back to your All Pro Web Tools console.
And now is it going here?
Yep, goes in the bottom one there. You'll want to double click in there to make sure you get everything. Double click until it lights up.
Okay.
And then hit the delete key or backspace. Alright, so now you can paste the new code in there. And now you can hit update information. Perfect.
Cool.
Now we need to go tell the new Webmaster Tools where your sitemap is. So do you remember how we did that? Oh, actually, first, now that we've done that, we want to verify it. So down below where the red button that says verify. So Google's going to check to make sure you put that code in correctly. And so there's your success message, tells you that you did it correctly. So you can click continue.
Oh,
And now we have that sitemaps box on the right hand side. And look at that. It seems to
they're all there then.
it seems to know who you are. It figured it out.
Pages.
So there you go.
Whoa.
You're all set.
Very cool. Okay, well that helps a lot.
Right.
That answered a lot of questions, more than I thought I had. Yes. Okay, so, yep, okay, I don't need that. So, great. Yep, that's really good. Then I can just look at, will this go away or just, it's just now this. This doesn't exist, right?
Go ahead and click on the second one down, the one that says Holistic Nutrition Food.
Well, wow. Oh, it disappeared all the way.
So you can click on Go Nutrition.
Oh.
Then you can click on All Website Data. So that's where you'll go to see your information. But remember, it's only going to track from today forward, so there's no information right now.
Yeah, yep. Okay. Very cool. The other thing is since I have you here now, when I go to my blog today, I put in a new video here.
Okay.
And I wanted to share this on my, let's see, on my Facebook. So I was thinking that I should go from my webpage to my Facebook so that when they click it, it goes back to here, right?
Yes.
So how do I do that, though? Like, nothing would come down. Usually the Facebook, you know, little tabby things come down, and they're not there. I was, like, going, how do I do that?
All the way to the bottom.
Oh! Okay. So then I can go from there.
Yep.
And I'll go to my Facebook. Oh, okay. I guess I just wasn't scrolling enough.
So that's actually a setting. You can set that you want it to always be there or only after you scroll down. And it's kind of the way they're doing it now is that it's usually when you scroll down a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Huh. Okay, but why is this? That's not what I wanted, that part. So maybe I need to click on it. How does it decide what to take off this page?
It's kind of up to them. I think it's taking the picture. It's not going to take the YouTube video. If you wanted to do just the YouTube video, you could do that, but then of course it wouldn't take them back to your website. So
Right.
it's your choice. You can even tell it to do no thumbnail. If you go back down and click on that Facebook button again.
Oh, right.
There's a no thumbnail box down below.
Right.
You can click that and it'll get rid of that picture. That's really kind of the only two options that Facebook is giving you right now.
Oh. Okay. All right, that helps. So I'll play with that.
Okay.
Just gonna cancel that. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for your help. That was very helpful.
My pleasure. Call back anytime, all right?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Webmaster tools to make sure that that's working properly. So if you open a new tab in Firefox where the plus sign is, now you can type Webmaster Tools. Now this is another free product from Google, and this is Google's way of telling you what might be wrong with your website or certain things that they're not liking about your website so you can fix those.
Oh, cool. Very cool.
All right, so you can click on the holisticnutritionfood.com. And so this is your main dashboard, and if there's any major errors, it's going to tell you that. The one thing that we're looking for is your sitemap. So if you look there on the right-hand side, it says sitemaps, and below that it says 0 URLs submitted. So that's looking like a problem. We want your website to communicate with Google on a daily basis to tell Google that you've got new pages and new information. And there's something wrong there. It says 1 error. So let's click where it says sitemap so we can go in there and see what's going on. All right. So.
Oh, this is probably when I changed the tab.
No, I don't think so, because that's not where your sitemap is located. So let's go back to your All Pro Web Tools console so we can get your correct sitemap location. And that's going to be under Settings and Administration. Administrator. And see where it says sitemap.xml right in the middle of the screen under Tools?
Yeah, that one?
Yeah, go ahead and click that.
Ooh.
Okay, so up at the top of the screen, go ahead and grab that entire URL up there. Up at the very top.
Oh, this.
Yep. Just grab all of that, copy that.
Okay.
Now you can go back to your Firefox. And where it says Add Test Sitemap, the big red button in the top right. Now you'll notice that it's already got your .com part of the URL, so all it really needs is the part that says sitemap.xml. So you need to remove everything in front of sitemap.xml. And you'll want to remove that slash as well. There you go, perfect. So now you can click Submit Sitemap. And then refresh the page. There you go. So now you can see that you have just submitted 40 pages from your website.
Wow.
And you're never going to have to do this again. It does it automatically every single day for you from now on. The problem was it just hadn't been configured correctly.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
Huh.
that first one, we can go ahead and delete that first one that says welcome, because that's not a sitemap.
Oh, okay.
So you click the
So I
delete up
can
at the top
click
there,
that.
and you